Hey guys, Sandy here with EuroSknife.com. Today we're going over regreasing your Uyar electric slicer. If you have a straight handle or a curved handle model, the ones and the twos. This is recommended once a month, maybe even more often. The more often you do it, the less likely water is to get into your machine and void your warranty, and the longer your machine will last overall. First, remove your blade. If you haven't seen that video, you can find it on our website. Make sure your slicer is unplugged. You'll need the included grease gun. You can buy replacements at EuroSknife.com. And then either a screwdriver or the Allen key that came with your kit, depending on the model you have. This one uses a screw. Simply unscrew right here. Remove your plug. Take your grease gun, insert it one way. I recommend to the right. There you go. Push grease in until you start to see grease coming out of the shaft right there. As you can see, a little bit has come out right there. Flip your gun to the left, your syringe, I guess. Keep going until you see more coming out, and then you're all set. You want to reinsert your plug. Please remember that this plug can be pushed all the way in and it will fall into the motor, which will damage your motor. So, when you push the plug in, you want to stop when it's flat with the handle. Right there. And that's all.